Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to reset Google Users ID in Google Authenticator. Now let's begin. Initially, I'm gonna open up the Authenticator app in my mobile device. I have it installed right here. I'm simply gonna click on it. Then as you can see, there are lots of accounts connected to my Google Authenticator. In case you want to delete them or edit them, we have created a video regarding that as well. Now let's simply try to reset our Google Users ID. At the top left, there are these three lines. Simply click on it. Then something like this will open up. Don't worry, simply click on Settings. Once you click on Settings, this will open up. Let us just go down to Google Users ID and this will pop up. Well, our Google Users ID is simply used to improve Google's products and services for everyone. This information won't be used to identify us and is not associated with our Google account. But even still, in case you want to reset your Google Users ID, at the bottom there's the button right here. Simply click on it, then give your confirmation. Click on Reset. That's how you reset your Google Users ID. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.